An Illinois law that makes it illegal to make audio recordings of police officers has been ruled unconstitutional. The ruling involves the 2009 arrest of artist Christopher Drew. He was charged with illegally eavesdropping after police found out he was recording the arrest. ABC 7's Paul Mikey has more on this story that's new at 6 o'clock tonight.
I'm pretty happy after 2+ years of following this. It's a good decision.
Chris Drew is a street artist, been at it for a long time. Here he is in front of Macy's 2 years ago December, offering his art for sale. Police said, "You have to have a peddler's license or you'll be arrested." Drew said, "I don't. Go ahead and arrest me." They did, and police would later discover that Drew had made an audio recording of the arrest without their knowledge or permission, so they charged him with violating the state's eavesdropping law, which is a felony. Drew went public with his battle against a law he calls absurd. His arrest, he says, was a public conversation with a public official on the public way. No one's privacy was violated.
I should have the right to bring evidence into court on what that officer says to me in public, and that's what we were trying to do.
Today, Judge Stanley Sachs did not call the eavesdropping law absurd, but more significantly, he declared it unconstitutional, saying its language is way too broad.
What Judge Sachs said today is that the eavesdropping law is criminalizing innocent conduct, and therefore it violates due process.
Under the existing Illinois eavesdropping law, you can, for instance, record video of a police officer making an arrest on the public way, but you can't record the audio unless you have permission. Judge Sachs' ruling today that the law is unconstitutional will be appealed, but the state's attorney says as much without great enthusiasm.
As a state's attorney, I'm going to enforce the laws that are on the books. That's the law that's on the books. So, you know, we've tried this past 3 years to change our eavesdropping law in Springfield, but it's gone nowhere.
State Representative Elaine Nekritz is sponsoring legislation that would change the state's eavesdropping law. Today's ruling by Judge Sachs adds more muscle to that effort. Sachs is the second circuit court judge in Illinois to declare the eavesdropping law unconstitutional. As such, it goes directly to the state Supreme Court for a decision, perhaps sometime this spring. Federal courts are watching, too.
Good. Thanks, Paul.
Interesting.
A Chicago Marine